What up, my people? Welcome to Hilda Baci's Cooking Marathon Show. Hilda Omo Naija, she's from Akwa Ibom. She's bad.
My brain is not even processing. I don't know. Like what?
What is orange? What is orange? That sounds like a parrot.
Oranges.
So far, she has made parts of jollof, coconut rice, native rice, sunrise, fried rice, native pasta, jollof pasta, wrap yam porridge, plantain, mashed potato, chicken curry, edikai corn.
So what's your favorite hometown dish?
Amala with ewedu and gbegiri. When your water boil, you add your ewedu, the leaf, yes. Then wait for it to cook to soften, you get it there. You use your dabe, you add your corn and all that.
She's been making a lot of meals for the past 70 hours. And I see a lot of games, the Flip the Bar 2 challenge. I see a lot of sponsors like Dano, Jumbo, Uber, Woodscope, Max and Gino, and so on and so forth. And I see a lot of beautiful people having great times of their lives.
Hi, I'm Paris. Nice to meet you all.
What's your Instagram handle?
Paris the Boss Baby.
What state are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Granite soup, black soup, ogbono soup.
She looks really determined and the energy out there with the crowd. No be here, I did tell you, no be here. I've been seeing a lot of beautiful ladies and some men looking well dripped. I just can't imagine people came out here looking this nice for you, that man.
What is orange?
Orange.
But when you're pronouncing it, sounds like parrot.
Orange. But when you're pronouncing it, it sounds like parrot. That's carrot.
Winning this Guinness World Record and trying to register the name Nigeria on the map. And shout out to our artists down there who have put our names on the map down, in various places and in various ways. And you're also trying to do the same thing, or you've done the same thing. Let me put it into affirmations.
What's your favorite hometown dish?
Favorite what?
Hometown dish.
Egusi soup. I don't know if there's an Edo soup, but egusi soup and maybe yes, black soup. So after cooking your beef, right, the first thing that goes in is the stock, like how I'll cook it, and then you bleach your oil, palm oil if you want to. So that goes in there, and then on the side you already have your egusi blended in water, and then you put that into that mixture, and then the beef goes in, and then vegetables go in after that. I'm hoping I got those steps right, but that's how I would cook it.
They did eyes and they did crop their teeth. We don't want that.
Yes, sir.
We want her to get it. And she's going to get it.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, if you can help us, right? And then when they come, they want to sing for her. You can, you guys can, get it. And she will.
You guys can do back a little bit.
So, what is it? You guys know.
As they make their way here, they have come.
How is this video?
This camera is the
We love you.
Orange and sounds like parrot. Carrot.
Okay. So it looks green. It opens red. What you eat is red, and what you spit out is black.
Watermelon.
Do you even have to think about that one?
Fisherman soup, salad, goat meat pepper soup, seafood okra. Damn. Fiaku, akara pancakes. chicken wrap, abacha, African breadfruit. She made goat meat stew, buka stew, peppered turkey, peppered chicken, fried fish, peppered fish. Omo, this girl too sabi wetin happen.